Hello guys, welcome back to Affiliate Offer. For today's video guys, I just wanted to show you what we have on our YouTube members area. And yes guys, we do have a YouTube members area where we post videos that only members can view. Not everyone can view them, only members of our YouTube channel can view them. And by now, if you are one of our subscribers or this is your first time watching any of our videos, then I believe you can see this join button that is close to the subscribe and the notification bell. So this join button, you can get it on our YouTube main page, or if you're watching any of our videos, then you can get it also there down here close to the subscribe button. So if you click on it, the join button, after subscribing, then it will bring you to our members page, this one, okay? And here we have different plans. So the first plan we have is the UHRS plan, which is $5, and the next one we have UHRS certification, which is $8. And the third one we have academic writing guide, which is $9, and the fourth one is Fiverr Business guide, which is $14. Then we have mastering Upwork, which is $19, and we also have UHRS Class, which is $39 guys. And the main reason why we have our members area where we are posting videos that only members can view is because we realize that by us posting most of the UHRS videos in our YouTube channel, we realized that some of our members were misusing them and now they were spamming UHRS, okay? So we decided that some of the videos we will be posting them on our membership areas where only serious members can view them and get access to them and benefit from them, okay? So for spammers, they won't have any access to these videos, okay? Now, and the main reason why we added the academic writing guide and the Fiverr and Upwork plan is because not every time there will be work on UHRS, or maybe you can get bored on working on UHRS. Now you just want to have something else that you can do. So we decided that academic writing is one of the options you can have. And it is also a lucrative business, guys. If you just take this plan and you get access to all the videos that are available here. There are over 20 videos for academic writing. For Fiverr Business, we have, let me just show you. Now for UHRS, the first plan for UHRS, which is $5, what you'll get is, you'll get access to all UHRS certification and assessments. You'll also get access to notification for UHRS hit-ups for both English and foreign languages hit-ups. You'll also get qualification answers for both English and foreign languages, and you'll also get access to new videos and promos that are not available in our YouTube page. They will only be available for the members only. Now, the next plan, which is UHRS certification, there you'll get these certifications. You'll get French certification, you'll get German certification, Spanish certification, Japanese, and many more certifications that we are still working on, and we'll be adding them on our members areas, okay? And guys, we are always updating these things as UHRS also update them. So be sure to get everything that is fully updated in our members areas, okay? Now for academic writing, this one, if you click on it, you see it is $9 here. What you'll get is you'll get to learn how to write clarity and with precision. You'll get to master the art of paraphrasing, and you'll have to develop, you learn to develop and support your own ideas persuasively, build your own unique style, voice, and flow. So guys, all these you'll get them there, and many more. You can see, I've even written the description for that. And the good thing about this is that it is not theory. you'll see you'll get over 20 videos for academic writing, or step by step, and all these videos are a step by step that will show you from a beginner phase to how to become a professional freelancer. Okay, now for the second plan, which is the Fiverr Business, this one, which is $14. What you'll get is wait, let it load. What you'll get is you will know how to register on Fiverr. That's one. You'll also know how to sell on Fiverr gig on Fiverr. Then you'll also know how to collect reviews. This is very difficult, guys. If you can get reviews on your Fiverr profile, then that's it is a plus for you. So all the videos that are there will show you how to get reviews, how to rank higher on Fiverr site, how to become a top rated seller on Fiverr. Then you'll also show you how to become a broker on Fiverr. And guys, this is the main thing here. We'll show you how to become a broker. By a broker, that means that you won't need to have any skill for you to have a Fiverr, for you to work on Fiverr. Okay, so we'll show you all that secrets in this plan, the Fiverr business plan. And you'll get over 30 videos showing you that. So if you just take your time and go through all of them, and you'll benefit. Okay, and the requirement is you should be able to use a PC as a beginner level. Nothing more you need to have. Okay, now the next plan is for mastering Upwork, and which is $19. And for this one, what you'll get is you'll learn how to become a top Upwork seller or freelancer. You learn how to create and optimize your profile to get endless invites. Okay, and this is the main thing, guys. By creating a good profile in Upwork, guys, you'll be able to get more work, and this is very important for you in any business. Okay, not only Fiverr, not only Upwork, also in UHRS. If you can work with high accuracy, then your account will be getting more jobs. Okay, you'll also know how to find and attract high-paying clients on Upwork. And all these guys also, for this, the Mastering Upwork, a complete guide to make a career on Upwork, we have 32 videos. So if you just take your time and go through all of them, and the requirements for this one is you need a strong desire to earn more as a freelancer. That's one thing that you need to have. Okay, for those people who don't give up on freelancing, they are benefiting right now. So you also need to have the desire to earn more. Okay, then the last one is the UHRS Class, which is $40. For this one, it is also a step-by-step videos, but for this one you'll also have you'll be working one-on-one with me. I'll take you from how to register your account to how to get to how to qualify for your first UHRS job, and I'll also show you how to work on multiple accounts. Okay, I know it is illegal to work on multiple accounts, but I'll show you how to do that without getting suspension on UHRS. Okay, so guys, this is what we had, or this is what we have on our membership area. So just pick a plan, and the best thing about this, guys, if you join using let's say if you join using a UHRS certification, you get access to all of these. You get access to all of the the first plans that are available for UHRS you'll get. So if you get you join using the UHRS class, just know that you'll get access to all of these. You'll get access to UHRS certification, you'll get access to academic writing, you'll get access to Fiverr Business guide. Yes, you'll get access to everything. If you join using Fiverr Business, you'll get access to UHRS, the first plan, the second plan, and the academic writing plan. Okay, but you won't get access to mastering Upwork. Okay, so that's how it is. So with that, guys, thanks for watching, and in case you still have any questions, just comment in the comments below, or you can email me directly. You'll get an email on the description of this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to be notified every time that we add new videos like this one. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.